Molweni, molweni, kanituleni mamele. Let us make brownies. So you see me over there going in with my cup of butter and scrape it, scrape it, scrape it. Get all that goodness in there. Ooh, Sana, I don't stop scraping. What? Okay, give it a little bit of a whisk before you throw in your eggs. As you can see, we have 4 eggs. I love to throw them in one by one. It's just me. You can do that if you want. You can throw everything in if you want. That's just me. I just love to make sure that everything is whisked in perfectly. And then all of our eggs are in there. Woo, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it good. Get it smooth. Get all of that goodness together. And then there we're going for the sugar. So we're gonna add in 2.5 cups of sugar. So you can see I started with the half a cup. And there we're going in with the rest of the sugar. Pretty soon, it's coming, it's coming. There we go. 1 cup and the second cup. And then we whisk it again. Just to make sure that everything of ours is now mixed in together. I'll put that aside first and then go in and mix. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Y'all, is it good for me to do those voiceovers or should I just play the music? Should I do voiceovers or just play the music? Please let me know in the comment section. Then I will then adjust to your liking. Then we go in with half a cup of cocoa. Oh, that cocoa comes out so nice when this thing is fully baked. Oh my goodness, like the chocolate. So please make sure you don't share the cocoa. Do not share the cocoa. Make sure that you get you half a cup of cocoa because it's gonna make these brownies so chocolatey. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh, guys, I'm gonna teach my children actually to make these for me for Mother's Day because wow. The chocolatey goodness. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering just doing this voiceover. Then we go in with our 1 cup of sifted flour. Now I always use sifted flour because I don't like lumps in my dough. So if you sift it, then you reduce drastically the result of lumps in the dough. And then I always whisk it, as you mostly know, as you mostly have seen from most of my videos. I always whisk at the end if I was using my hand whisk to mix the dough. Then I always add an electronic whisk at the end just to make sure that everything is smooth. So it starts with the sifting first. NgesiXhosa ke sana sithi kukuhluza, so ndiyayihluza iflour just to make sure, just. In fact, I feel like amaXhosa ahluza yonke into because siyawuhluza nomngqusho, like siyahluza nje yonke into siyahluza just to make sure but the impurities are not there. So do the right thing, be a closer person, hluza everything. So we mix it in, and that is basically all the ingredients you need for this dough. And trust me guys, it is beautifully fudgy, it is chocolatey. Sometimes I add a lot less sugar because it can be a bit too sweet, but for a sweet tooth, it is, oh, it is perfect. So there you see, I'm gonna go in with the whisk, just as I said, to make it even more smooth. You know, you can mix from the beginning to the end with an electric whisk. That is still perfectly fine. Normally I do that, but for the purposes of this video, I decided to do the hand whisk first. So you see how smooth it is there now that we're doing it with the hand whisk. Oh, guys, I literally want to make this again right now so that I can just chill here and, you know, but okay, so I decided to add pecan nuts in this one just for ambience. Just for the ambience. There was absolutely no need, there was absolutely no reason. The batter was good without, but I just needed that extra taste, and I had leftovers from the last time I made carrot cake, so I thought, why not? I just thought, why not? So there my pecan nuts go in, and then I'm just gonna turn it over and over with my spatula just to get it mixed in nicely in there. Oh guys, these brownies, if I tell you, these brownies, they are so easy to make. Like literally my boys could do this with one eye open. So if you need a recipe for Mother's Day, and a Mother's Day is tomorrow, if you need a recipe for Mother's Day, please heed my advice. Make her these brownies. She will be the happiest mom in the world. Heed my advice and make these. I'm going to teach my boys to make these brownies so that I don't have to make them for myself tomorrow, you know? So there I go in with my baking paper just to make sure that nothing sticks. And I normally just use this what do you call this? Guys, ikamadimkile. Like the name is gone. What do you call this thing? Casserole dish. So I normally just use this casserole dish because for me it gives me the perfect leveling for my brownies, because you must have to level them. So it gives me the perfect leveling, and when they rise in there, it gives them the perfect level of height. So I get everything I want when I use this casserole dish to make my brownies. So you can use your pan or whatever pan of your choice, or if you want to use the casserole dish as well, you can use a casserole dish. And just put all of that chocolatey goodness in there. Scrape it, scrape it, scrape it. Make sure that you get every corner of that dish that you were mixing in. Get every corner of dough out of there and into your pan or casserole dish. Then we level it out just to make sure that we cover all the corners. Oh guys, I'm literally gonna bake these for tomorrow. Like, if you see this on my Insta tomorrow morning or tomorrow after church, please do not be shocked because my mouth is watering right now. So scrape all of that goodness in there, and I think I'm about done scraping so that I can level it out for the last time. Sana, I got all of the corners. Okay, not all of them, just getting the last corners out of there. Scrape it, scrape it, scrape it. Yes, we got all of our corners, and then we level it out. We level it out. Also, tell me if you want me to take you along with me for my birthday. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but if you want me to make a vlog out of that day, just comment here in the comment section. Someone once asked me to do a vlog, so this is the one day I'm probably still a little bit comfortable sharing. So let me know if you want to see that day. So then we go into the oven. I normally put my oven on at 160 degrees. I do this because I feel it's the best. It's the best for cakes, and in fact all of my bakes I bake at 160 degrees. It's just to make sure that my things don't burn at 180. It's only meat that I do at 180 actually. So they were finished, as you can see. And do not forget to switch off your stove when you are done baking, please. And there is that good, rich, gooey chocolate. Ooh, so good. So good, you guys. Like, it has the perfect, has a little bit of a hot top, but it's like so perfect. And the inside is so gooey, so nice, like so fudgy. Oh, guys, I was packing that for someone there. Someone asked for brownies, so I was packing it for them nicely. Oh, guys, when I say this is good, nah, like I'm not hyping it up because I made it. Like, this is good. Make it for yourself. Oh my goodness, can you see a little bit of those pecans showing out of there? Oh, guys, that is so delicious. Okay, then see you on the next video. Bye.